Topic of presentation: Basic parts of speech. Nouns. A noun is a person, place, concept, or object. Basically, anything that's a thing is a noun. Whether you're talking about a basketball court, San Francisco, Cliporta, or self preservation. Nouns fall into two categories: common noun and proper noun. Common nouns are generally names for things. Proper nouns are specific names for individual things. Pronouns. Pronouns are the words you substitute for specific noun when the reader or the listener knows which specific noun you are referring to. Pronouns make up a small subcategory of nouns. The distinguishing characteristics of pronoun is that they can be substituted for other nouns. Adjectives. Adjectives are the words that modify nouns. They are often called describing words because they give us further details about nouns, such as what it looks like, how many there are, or which one of it is. Adjectives do not modify verbs or other adjectives. Verbs. Verbs are the words that represent actions that are external, internal. Verbs show that the subject is doing or feeling, even if they are exiting. Verbs are also the one type of words that are absolutely necessary to make a sentence. Adverbs. An adverb is a word that describes an adjective, a verb, or another adverb. Take a look at these examples. Here's an example. I entered the room quietly. Quietly is describing how you entered the room. Preposition. Preposition tells us where or when something is in relation to something else. That is, where one noun is in relation to another. But they can also indicate more abstract ideas, such as purpose or contrast. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words that link other words, phrases, or clauses together. Conjunctions allow you to form complex, elegant sentences and avoid the choppiness of multiple short sentences. Make sure that the phrases joined by conjunction are parallel. Articles. Articles are the words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. English has two types of articles: definite and indefinite. Consider the following example. After the long day, the cup of tea tasted particularly good. By using the article the, we have shown that it was one specific day that was long and other specific cup of tea that tasted good.